Hello student, this is your English teacher from St. Norbert Senior Secondary School, Jammu. And today I am going to teach you lesson number 12, that is Diwali, the festival of light. Now we will begin. Now Diwali, the festival of light. As you know that Diwali is called the festival of light because on this day we lighten the diyas and everything and we decorate our house very nicely. So that is why it is called the festival of light. Now Nikhil and Roma went to their grandmother's house on the eve of Diwali, the festival of light. They were very excited as Diwali was their favorite festival. So Roma and Nikhil went to their grandmother's house on the eve of the Diwali. So they were very excited because Diwali was their favorite festival. They decorate their grandma house very beautifully and wore new dresses. They were very eager to brush the firecrackers. As they went to their grandmother house, they decorated their grandma house very beautifully, and they were ready for their festival as they wore the new dresses and they were very eager to brush the firecrackers. They went to their grandma and asked for the firecrackers. So they went to the grandma and asked grandma to please give me the firecrackers. Their grandma asked, "My dear, do you know why is Diwali celebrated?" So when they went to the grandmother, so she asked one question to them, that why do we celebrate Diwali? all the all of us enjoy the festival, but many of us don't even know the true meaning of festival. So grandma said them that we all celebrate the festival, we enjoy the festival and we brush the firecrackers, but we don't know what is the true meaning of the festival, but why do we celebrate this festival? Roma seemed a little confused. So the Roma was a little bit confused that why do we celebrate this festival? Don't worry, you are a small kid. There are many grown up people who don't know why we celebrate Diwali. So grandma told them that don't be confused because you are only a small kid, but there are many grown up people who don't know that why do we celebrate Diwali. I will tell you why we celebrate this festival. So grandma told them that I will tell you why do we celebrate this festival. Wow, cheered Roma. That makes me feel fortunate. So Roma was very excited to listen that why do we celebrate the Diwali. Grandma continued. We celebrate Diwali as a festival of light for many reasons. So grandma continued. She said that we celebrate for many reasons. Why do we celebrate Diwali? So there are many reasons behind it. In North India, it is celebrated to rejoice the return of Lord Rama after a 14-year of exile. So she told in North India, it is celebrated to rejoice, means to celebrate that Lord Rama came to his country after a 14 year of exile. Exile means then when one is away from his country. So in Hindi we call it Vanvas. So Lord Rama came to Ayodhya after the 14 year of exile. People decorate their house with candles and light so as to welcome him back. So the people of Ayodhya and so the people of North India decorate their house with candles and lights so to welcome him. In South India, it is celebrated as the victory of goddess Durga over the demon Narkasur. In South India, they celebrate Diwali because goddess Durga killed demon Narkasur. Demon means Rakshas. This victory of good over evil brings back the light of knowledge and truth into the people's lives. So this victory of goddess Durga brings the light of knowledge and truth into the people's life. Grandma, please tell us more about this festival, exclaimed Roma. So Roma was very excited and she was very so Roma wanted to know more about the festival. So she told grandma to please tell me more about this festival. Grandma smiled and started again. In some part of India, Kali Puja is also celebrated a day before Diwali. So in some parts of India, we celebrate Kali Puja before a day of Diwali. Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of light, beauty, good, fortune, and wealth. As we know, the goddess Lakshmi is known for the light, beauty, good, fortune, and wealth. Fortune means luck. So, is also worshipped on the day of Diwali. So, as we know, on Diwali we worship goddess Lakshmi because she is known for the light, beauty, good, fortune, and wealth. We light diyas and candles and draw rangoli at the doorstep to welcome goddess Lakshmi. So on the day of the Diwali, we light the diyas, candles and draw the rangoli to welcome her. But why do we have fireworks? Asks Roma. So Roma wanted to know that if we celebrate Diwali, so why it is important to have a fireworks? So she told, fireworks are used to celebrate triumph of good over evil. Triumph means a great victory or an achievement. Means when Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya, so it was a achievement for the people of Ayodhya to welcome him. They add to the joy of the festival. However, firework causes pollution and are harmful to the atmosphere, so we should avoid too much fireworks, replied Grandma. As you know that fireworks add joy to the festival, but on the other hand, they causes the pollution and are harmful for the atmosphere, so we should avoid too much of firework. Just then, Grandma gave them a packet of candles to illuminate their houses and a box of sweets. Roma and Nikhil hugged their grandma and wished her happy Diwali. Grandma hugged and kissed them and asked both of them to get ready for the festival of light. Means after telling about why Diwali was celebrated all over the India, so after explaining them all the things, Grandma gave them the packet of candles and Roma and Nikhil hugged their grandma and wished her happy Diwali. And on the other hand, Grandma also hugged and kissed them and told them to get ready for the festival of light. I hope my all students have understood the chapter. Your homework is to revise the exercise given in your book. Thank you.